Ginkgo plants are often called living fossils because they have existed on Earth for an incredibly long time. Fossil records show that ancestors of modern ginkgo trees grew more than 270 million years ago, even before dinosaurs appeared. Unlike most ancient plant groups that went extinct, the ginkgo survived major global changes, including ice ages and mass extinctions. Today, the species remains almost unchanged from its prehistoric ancestors, making it a fascinating example of plant evolution and resilience. Unique fan-shaped leaves. One of the most recognizable features of ginkgo plants is their distinctive fan-shaped leaves. These leaves have a unique vein pattern that spreads outward in a forked, branching style rather than forming a central vein like most trees. In autumn, ginkgo leaves turn a brilliant golden yellow, often falling all at once to create a striking carpet of color beneath the tree. This seasonal display makes ginkgo a popular ornamental tree in parks and streets worldwide. Extremely long lifespan. Ginkgo trees are famous for their longevity. Many individuals can live over 1,000 years, and some in Asia are believed to be even older. Their long life is partly due to their strong resistance to diseases, pests, and environmental stress. Scientists have found that ginkgo trees continue producing protective chemicals and healthy growth tissue even in old age, which helps them survive for centuries. High resistance and hardiness. Ginkgo plants are exceptionally tough. They can tolerate pollution, poor soil, and urban conditions better than many other trees. Because of this resilience, ginkgo trees are often planted along streets in cities around the world. Remarkably, some ginkgo trees even survived the atomic bombing of Hiroshima in 1945 and later regrew, symbolizing endurance and recovery. Separate male and female trees. Ginkgo plants are dioecious, meaning male and female reproductive structures grow on separate trees. Male trees produce small pollen cones, while female trees produce seed-like structures that resemble fruit. The seeds have a fleshy outer layer that emits a strong odor when it falls and decomposes, which is why urban planners usually prefer planting male trees. Medicinal and health uses. Ginkgo has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in East Asia. Extracts from its leaves are commonly used in herbal supplements believed to support memory, blood circulation, and cognitive health. While modern research shows some potential benefits, scientists still debate how effective ginkgo supplements are for treating specific conditions. Edible but special seeds. The inner part of ginkgo seeds is edible and is considered a delicacy in certain Asian cuisines. These seeds are often roasted or cooked in traditional dishes and are used during cultural celebrations. However, they must be eaten in moderation because they contain compounds that can be toxic if consumed in large quantities. Cultural and symbolic importance. Ginkgo trees hold strong cultural meaning in several countries. They are often seen as symbols of peace, hope, longevity, and resilience. In many temples and historic sites, ancient ginkgo trees are carefully preserved as sacred natural treasures. Unique botanical classification. Ginkgo is so unusual that it belongs to its own plant division. Unlike flowering plants or conifers, it does not fit neatly into common categories. It is the only surviving member of its botanical group, making it a true one-of-a-kind species in the plant kingdom. Summary. Ginkgo plants are remarkable for their ancient history, unique leaves, incredible lifespan, and resilience. They have survived for hundreds of millions of years, adapted to changing environments, and continue to thrive in modern cities. Their beauty, medicinal value, and symbolic significance make them one of the most fascinating trees on Earth.